Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna cook Indonesian fried noodle. So for ingredients, let's check down below. The noodle that I use is the regular noodle, dry. You can use any noodle you like. You can use the frozen or even fresh noodle. Totally up to you. For the protein, I'm gonna use the meatball and shrimp. Now for the seasoning, I have 6 garlic and 6 shallot. Small shallots. If you have a big one, you just need 3, and then 2 candle nut. We're gonna blend this. Chili that I chopped finely. I have green onion. I have the white part and I have the green part. The white part, I'm gonna infuse it with the oil, and then the green part is just for garnishing. And for the greens, I have regular bok choy and then white cabbage. Now for the sauce, you will need soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and then this is the stir-fry seasoning sauce. If you don't have this, you can completely skip it. You also will need chicken powder, white pepper, salt, and sugar. Now you see all the ingredients that we need. So if you guys need some substitute, you can just ask me on the comment sections below. And then now let's start cooking. First, I'm gonna blend all my candle nut and shallot and garlic. Add a little bit of oil. This is what it looks like. Now we're just gonna put it on the side at the moment. I'm gonna boil the dry noodle. Using approximately for about 400 to 500 grams of noodle. We wanna cook this half done. So I'm gonna cook this for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes and a half, I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna drain all the water. While your pan or wok still cold, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, and I'm gonna add the white part of the green onion. I'm gonna put it on a medium high. We're gonna cook this until it's fragrant. When you see the green onion is start browning like that, I'm gonna add my seasoning. So I'm gonna cook this blended spice for about 2 minutes or until it's fragrant. Became fragrant, you wanna add your chili. About 15 seconds. Next, I'm gonna add my vegetable. Wanna cook this until all the veggies are soft. Eggs. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. And just scramble it in a pan. I'm gonna add the meatballs and the shrimp. We're gonna cook this with the medium-high heat for about 1 minute. Now you can add your noodle. And then now we can add another seasoning. So we need about 3 to 5 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. About 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then about 2 teaspoons of stir-fry seasoning sauce. We're gonna mix them all. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And then taste your noodle. And then now we're gonna add some seasoning, about half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna mix all of this. And then last step, while the stove is off, you want to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. And mix them up. Now, last step, we're gonna do garnishing. So I'm gonna use the green part of the green onion. And as Indonesians, we like our dry salads. So there you go, guys, the Indonesian's fried noodle. It's ready to serve. So give it a try. It's very delicious though. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe, it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.